Hello everyone, my name is Ankita and I welcome you to our video series on company formation. Today we are going to talk about doing business in the United Kingdom. UK is a flexible and business-minded location, historically recognized as a well-established and reputable jurisdiction to conduct a business. UK's success in attracting FDI remains undiminished year on year. UK is one of the most globalized economies and geographically it comprises of 4 nations: England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Capital city of UK is London. Language used is English and the currency used is pound sterling. UK is 6th largest national economy in the world measured by nominal GDP. Foreign investors coming to UK have experienced some of its many advantages. Few of them I am going to discuss here. It fascinates investors from all around the globe to grow their business. They have the opportunity to raise funds from UK markets. Foreign investors are treated with great connectivity. UK has excellent transport links with the rest of the world. UK has a deep pool of workforce expertise. UK's central time zone position is ideally placed between the markets of the East and the West. UK is one of the world's global financial centers. UK has kept pace with the state-of-the-art technology and strong infrastructure development. UK has a wide network of tax treaties and manageable tax system which are pretty simple as compared to other foreign locations. However, foreign businesses coming to the UK should be aware that accounts of all the UK companies are publicly available through its registrar of companies. Now we will have a look at taxation aspects. Her Majesty's Revenues and Customs is responsible for all aspects related to UK tax system, including direct tax and indirect tax. While Companies House is the Registrar of Companies in UK and it is a key government organization that coordinates the administration of businesses in the UK. General corporate income tax rate is 19% and the standard VAT rate is 20%. UK has double tax treaties with more than 130 countries, making it one of the world's largest treaty network. There is no withholding tax in the UK, irrespective of the location of the recipient. Personal income tax rates range from 20 to 45% depending upon the slab of income. Most commonly formed type of entities in the UK include private limited company and public limited company. Basic requirements to form a private limited company: it includes 1 shareholder and 1 director. The shareholder and director can be of any nationality. However, HMRC may reject applications of those companies in which there is no local resident director. Some banks may not favor opening a bank account in UK for the companies in which there is no local resident director. The director and shareholder can be one and the same person. The company can be incorporated by investing a nominal share capital. It is mandatory to have a registered office address in the UK to form a company. Visit and stay in UK is not required for incorporation of a company. However, certain banks may require the principals to be physically present in UK as a part of their due diligence process for the account opening. It usually takes 4 to 5 days for the company to be incorporated once the documents are submitted with the Companies House. We assist our clients in company incorporation, corporate bank account opening, other registrations such as VAT, tax, PAYE and EORI, other maintenance and compliance services such as accounting, payroll processing and compliance, preparation of annual financial statements, filing of annual reports and tax returns. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
To know more, you can write us on internationalbusiness@choiceindia.com or you can contact us on 022 6707 9444.